Dear parents, welcome to Swiflearn. This is our website www.swiflearn.com, and here you will go for login or sign up. Enter your mobile number here. So make sure that you are using one mobile number for one student. If you have two students at your home, so make sure you are using different mobile number for them. But please stick to one uh, mobile number for one student. Do not change it, otherwise the class won't be visible on the new number. And to remove the hassle, to avoid the hassle of the OTPs, make sure you have saved the password. So you can just save your password, and then when you enter, so you can see your classes. These are the classes which are assigned to the student, so they can join us. So this is 7 p.m. class, you can join it. And so these are all other classes which are not assigned to the student, but these are the overall classes going on at Swiflearn. So make sure you check your my classes, and here you will be able to join everyday classes of the student. And these are the classes where these are the past classes basically, where you will be able to see the recording, because every class gets recorded at Swiflearn, so the student can check if they have any doubt about any particular topics. They can go to that particular class and check it. And you can also give feedback to the teachers or the class overall. What do you like about the class? Was it interaction, class pace, and submit any other remark you want to put. Please do that, so we can improve at Swiflearn. And then my homeworks, this is very important. The homework is the only way, is the only feedback that way we will know how the student is learning. So please, we recommend all our parents to encourage the student to attempt more and more questions and make sure they are completing homework on time. Teacher is making sure at their end, they will be checking it in the next class. Let's say this is the 21st, so this is the due date put by the teacher that student has to submit on 21st May 12:30 a.m. And so submit it by that time, and then you attempt it, you fill all the options, and then you finish. This is how you finish, then you submit it. Once you submit it, the homework will be goes in done wala part, because you have completed it. And then this is the answer key for it. So for every paper you have attempted, so this is the answer key. These are the solution for it. And this is the review. This is the report. So 2 questions I have attempted, 1 correct, 1 incorrect. So overall mark is 1, accuracy is 50%. And this is my schedule. So my schedule is basically the classes which have been assigned to me. So this is a 19th today's class at 7 p.m. This has been assigned to me, so it's also visible at my upcoming live classes. So the student have to attend it. You can see the whole month's timetable here. So make sure you check this. You ask the student to attempt homework on time, and because teacher will be discussing it with them in their next class. They are attempting class on time. They are having a look at the past classes, and just save your password. Don't use OTP again and again. Okay. And if you have any queries, you can contact at Swiflearn. Uh, you can mail us at support@swiflearn. You can mail us at success@swiflearn.com. So please do that. Thanks a lot.